Unlock your future. Invest in Amazon 2025. Ready to make smart money moves? Let's dive into why Amazon could be a game-changing investment in 2025. Amazon's e-commerce empire isn't slowing down. They're constantly innovating, making online shopping even easier and more accessible for everyone. Amazon Web Services, AWS, is the leader in cloud computing. Businesses worldwide rely on AWS, and that demand is only going to grow. Amazon is always exploring new frontiers, from healthcare to artificial intelligence. These ventures offer massive potential for future growth. Amazon Prime keeps customers coming back for more. The loyalty and recurring revenue from Prime members are a huge asset. Amazon's ability to adapt and innovate is unmatched. They're always looking for the next big thing, ensuring they stay ahead of the curve. Ready to take control of your financial future? Do your research, consider your investment goals, and explore the potential of adding Amazon to your portfolio. Don't wait. Start planning your investment strategy today. Leave comments below, ask questions, or tell me ideas for my next video. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.